Welcome to 3210 Spring Forest Road in Harrisburg, North Carolina, a truly captivating Glenwood model home built by the reputable semi-custom builder Niblack Homes. As you step inside, prepare to be amazed by the seamless blend of modern comfort and timeless elegance that this ranch-style residence has to offer. With its open floor plan, this home creates an inviting and spacious atmosphere just perfect for both family gatherings and intimate evenings. As you explore the living area, your eyes will be drawn to the stately brick fireplace, a focal point that exudes warmth and charm. Picture yourself cozied up in front of the crackling fireplace, unwinding after a long day or hosting lively conversations with your loved ones. As you continue your tour, you'll discover the functional kitchen, a culinary haven for aspiring chefs and seasoned cooks. Adorned with sleek countertops, ample storage space, and great functional appliances, this kitchen is sure to inspire your inner culinary creativity. Can you imagine preparing delicious meals while conversing with guests seated at the nearby dining area, creating treasured memories that will last a lifetime? When it's time to retreat and rejuvenate, the inspired primary ensuite beckons you with its tranquil ambiance, promoting relaxation and serenity. As you step outside onto the closed-in patio, you'll find a private oasis awaiting you. The fenced-in backyard offers a safe haven for children and pets to play freely, while also providing a serene space for outdoor entertaining. Imagine hosting summer barbecues or just enjoying a morning cup of coffee surrounded by nature's beauty. Located in the heart of Harrisburg, North Carolina, this home is nestled in a community that embraces harmonious balance between tranquility and convenience. With its proximity to local amenities, schools, and parks, you'll have everything you need within reach while still enjoying the peace and privacy that this neighborhood has to offer. 3210 Spring Forest Road is more than just a house. It's a place where cherished memories are made and dreams can truly come true. This home is offered for only $539,900, and it is available for sale today. So if you want more information on this home, or if you would like a private tour, please give me a call today. This home awaits its new owner. Until we meet again, please be blessed.